No. I don't know. I feel like it's just really bad. And my strat is like the most inconsistent way to do it. But only from 0, apparently. Like, they moved the gravity portal from 0. Thank you. Wait, watch this opera again.
Raise the fucking
W.
I could actually play Rigel, but my finger's gonna give out within the first 15 minutes.
Alright, no. Okay, just stick it in rain. Stick it out. And then boom, you're good. Refreshed. It's like getting a refresh in Fortnite.
Exactly.
Please, I'm gonna finger myself. I beat Cat Planet!
You beat it better times.
Oh my god! 2 coins, bro. Almost 1,000 attempts on Cat Planet, by the way. Wait. I do not want to back up my windows. I don't give a shit.